Welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third page of the Unit 2 test review. We got number 9 over here. Graph the line that passes through point A, which is 2 comma negative 5, and is parallel to line BC, where point B, 1 comma 3, and C being 4 comma 5. Okay, so I am dealing with two lines here. We will call this line 1. And then here, I'm dealing with another line, BC, which we'll call line 2. Keyword, parallel, meaning same slope. So this looks already established. With those 2 points, I can graph and then make my line. So here's 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is right here. And then 4 comma 5 is, let's see, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right there. So let me go ahead and call this B, and I'm going to call that C. Then I'm going to connect the dots. And now I'm going to go ahead and plot that point, which will be on line 1. So line 1, point A, 2 comma negative 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here, and that's A, okay? So we know that these two lines here are parallel. They should have the same slope. But what is the slope? Well, I can rise over 1 and say 2 over 3. Or if I want to go ahead and just practice my writing my slope, I use these 2 points, call them x1, y1, x2, y2. 5 minus 3 over 4 minus 1, that is 2 over 3. Is that 2 over 3 here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. So now you're going to go ahead and use that point, and you're going to use that slope here. So the M parallel, remember, it's the same slope. It's 2 over 3. So go up to right 3, up to right 3, do the opposite using that original point, down to left 3, then connect. Oh wow, what's going on here? That does not look like 2 comma 3. Let's try to make that look more parallel. 2 comma, here, let's fix that. 2 comma 1, 2, 3. OCD is getting in the way, so I'm trying to fix this. Close enough. Yeah, close enough, I guess. So just assume that they are parallel here. But yes, they are indeed parallel. Number 10, graph the line that passes through the point 3 comma 7 and is perpendicular to line BC, with B being negative 1 comma negative 2 and C being negative 4 comma 8. Again, this is line 1. This is line 2. Our key word here is perpendicular, meaning opposite sign, flip the fraction. So negative 1 comma negative 2. Let's plot these points and establish line BC. Negative 1 comma 2 should be, or sorry, negative 1 comma negative 2 is right here. That's B. And then negative 4 comma 8. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is C. And then with these 2 points, I can create a line. And then lastly, we have that point A, which is in red, 3 comma 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Call that A. And then, okay, well, let's go ahead and figure out the slope of this line, because that line 1 here is perpendicular to this line BC. So using my slope formula, I do M equals 8 minus negative 2, which is 8 plus 2, over negative 4 minus negative 1, which is negative 4 plus 1. That's 10 over negative 3. So that's my original slope, but remember, we're dealing with perpendicular here, so that means I need to change the sign. That's positive, flip the fraction, which is going to be 3 over 10, okay? So then that means we're going to rise 3 to the right 10. right? But just by looking at this, if I rise 3 and then run 10, I'm going to be off the grid. So I'm going to have to do the opposite. I'm going to go down 3 to the left 10, okay? So down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, oops. And then perpendicular. They intersect at a 90-degree angle. Okay. Ooh, this one's super easy. Write the equation in slope-intercept form and graph the line given that the m is 3 over 2 and b is equal to -3. Y'all, you have a slope and an intercept. So that means you use slope-intercept form right there. Do you see how, you just see that play right there? Look at that. I got a slope, intercept, put a little dash in me, and then add the form. That's awesome. Y equals mx plus b, right? Plug in the m, plug in the b. You get y equals 3 over 2x plus -3, which is -3. You have an intercept of 0, 3. You start there. And then you're going to rise. You're going to rise 3, and then you're going to run 2. So rise 3, run 2, rise 3, run 2, rise 3, run 2. Do the opposite. Down 3, left 2. Down 3, left 2. Connect. And that's how you graph number 11. Over here, this one's different because it doesn't say b equals -3, but this is our intercept. Our intercept, or y-intercept, by the way. Y-intercept is in the form 0, y, right? So b is equal to 5. Therefore, y equals -2x plus 5. So that means m equals -2. You're going to go down 2, and then you're going to run 1. So where the heck is 0, 5? Right here. And go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Do the opposite. Up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. Just like that.